Disassembling the safety feature. First, we had to dump this thing on a tarp, get rid of that so I can get to the underbelly side. And although the designs and models change, basically the concept is simple. That's the major button that you push in and turn to light. And so what you're doing is negating this. This is the safety device in here. That button you pushes against and opens a little seal in here. And that little seal is operated, as you see this temperature sensor, over by a thermocouple or a thermopile, either way. One is mechanical, one is electronic. So the whole goal is take that apart, get rid of that seal. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna loosen this nut right there. That nut was on quite tight. That exposes this. It is a thermopile, so it's electrical. And there's the electromagnet, and that pushes this down like that. And so when you're pushing the button from in here, when you're pushing that button in, all it's doing is taking this and pushing it out of the way. This, as you see, is a gasket, soft and flexible, and it pushes it out of the way of the valve and lets the gas flow. That's all we want, is it's allowing the gas from here, that's from my tank, and that rubber gets out of the way, and now it lets it flow right here to the burners. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna tear this little guy off like that. The end. Well, now that I think about it, I think I took the little metal plate that you see here off as well. It was very easy. Just grab it with the pliers and pull it, pops right off. That way nothing is obstructing or slowing down the flow. Yep, that just popped off very easily. It's got a round head, and it just popped right out of there. If you grab it with your pliers, you just gently rotate it, and then all of a sudden it pops right off. Now we're ready to put this thing back in, put this back on, and there's nothing to restrict the flow from the propane through here into the burner, other than when the valve is in the off position. Okay, it's all put back together. Now the gas will flow just this way. This is where air by Ventura effect comes into it, and then that adds yellow to the flame. Without that, it would just be a pure blue flame. That's open on both sides. And so here we'll test it. I'll turn the gas on with the valve in the off position. Okay, it's all hooked up, and now I reach around the other side, push the button in, and you can hear it. Turn the button to the off position, and it stops. So now we have a simple fireplace where we just turn the gas on, off, or anywhere in between, adjusting the height of the flame. That's it.